G'day everybody, it's Woz here, and today I'm at my new local skate park, which is located in the town of Boyne Island. And I'm here to share my thoughts and opinions on how to perform the pole jam. From an outsider's perspective, the pole jam may seem like a quite advanced skateboarding maneuver. However, when you break it down into its most basic form, it is quite simplistic indeed. You will want to attack this trick with a high level of confidence and a moderate to fast speed. Just like riding a bicycle, the faster you go, the easier it is to balance. The same rules apply for this trick. The only other skateboarding trick that you will have needed to have mastered before attempting this trick is the humble ollie. Understanding the motion of how to ollie is vital while learning this trick. Just like any other skateboarding maneuver, you will want to have your feet in the correct position. I like to have my leading foot just behind the front deck bolts and my back foot centered over the tail in the ollie position. As you approach the obstacle, make sure you have your body weight centered over the skateboard, with your upper body leaning slightly forward. Make sure you position your skateboard so that the heel side of your trucks will grind up the rail. Doing this will ensure a good wheel and truck pinch on the rail. Combine this with speed and your body weight, and this will ensure that you will remain well balanced on the rail. As you start to grind up the rail, you will want to move your legs in an ollie motion. You will want to remain light-footed, however firm and confident on your skateboard. If you have successfully balanced on the rail and timed the ollie motion correctly, the rail should now boost you off the end of the rail at a high velocity and trajectory. At this point, float through the air and enjoy the ride. As you and your skateboard land successfully, evenly distribute your body weight and roll away. If you followed these steps correctly, you should be now on your way to performing the pole jam. And if there are any tricks that you would like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like or a share. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. With your ongoing support, we can grow our community and this channel. I truly appreciate you spending this time with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.